Okay, AP Calculus, Trapezoidal Sums. This comes from the 2008 AP Cal AB free response question. I think it's question number 3 or something. Anyway, part A of it says this. Says use a trapezoidal sum with 4 sub-intervals indicated by the data in the table to approximate the area. And then we were supposed to describe how we got all that. So 4 sub-intervals. This is what's kind of important here. It says indicated by the data in the table. So we need 4 subintervals. I'm just seeing if we have them. We have 1 here, don't we? We have 2, we have 3, we have 4. So we do have 4 subintervals, don't we? I want to remind you that the area of a trapezoid is equal to h over 2 times AB. So we could easily write h times AB over 2. And look at this for a second. Our trapezoids look like this. Our trapezoids look like this, don't they? So here's side A, here's side B, right angle here, and this is H here. So H for us is change in X. So ours are going to look like this. So what we need to describe to them what we're taking, and we're taking the definite integral from 0 to 24. In this case, let's just call this of f of x dx. And we're saying that that is the same as the sum of I equals 1 to n of, and then we're going to take our trapezoids here. Our first trapezoid has, this is side A, this is side B, so it is 0 plus 7 over 2. That's from here, isn't it? And we need our h, which is our change of x, and our change of x is the distance from 0 to 8, which happens to be 8. All right? Hopefully you can see what's starting to happen here. The next is going to be from, right, this is from here to here, so the height goes from 8 divided by 2, and we have a distance covered here of 6, don't we? Of 6 plus here we're going to go from 7 to 8. Remember that the end point of 1 is the beginning point of the next interval, so our next interval is 8 to 2. Not interval, our next heights are 8 to 2, and with a total of, is that 8? Of 8 here, right? Move this over a tiny bit. And then lastly, we go from plus side A is 2, side B is 0 divided by 2 times the change in base. The change in base here is from 22 to, this is 2. So now I'm just going to start doing a little bit of math here. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Just simplifying this out because I'm saying what would I do if I didn't have a calculator. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 we already said was 4 again, so 4 again. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Right? So we'll get 0 plus 7 is 7 times 4 is 28. 15, that's 45, isn't it? 45, isn't it? Plus 40 plus 2 should give us a total of 115. All right, so that's how I would use the trapezoidal rule. Hope this was helpful. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Your comments are always welcome. Thanks.